Mga pambihira at kangahangang tao, bagay o gawain. Pasok yan sa listahan ko. Ito ang Pacman's List.
Sa sulat, selyo ang kailangan. Iba't ibang itsura at disenyo, pero iisa ang gamit nito. Alam niyo bang ang Pilipinas ang kauna-unahang bansa sa Asya na gumamit ng selyo? Kaya di katakatakang ang pinakamatandang selyo ay dito sa Philatelics Museum ng Manila Post Office matatagpuan.
The first stamps that were issued here in the Philippines was in 1854. That was the first day was February 1. The four stamps were printed locally, and it consists of 5 cuartos, 10 cuartos, 1 real fuerte, and 2 reales fuerte.
Ang portrait ni Queen Isabella II ang oldest stamp ng Pilipinas. Gaano katanda ang selyong ito? Aba, 155 years old lang naman.
Just a small printing, no? For the 5 and 10 cuarto stamps, there were 5,000 printed, no? And for the 1 real and 2 reales, there were only 2,000 printed.
May tuturing din na record holder ang stamp ni King Amadeo. Ang portrait ni King Amadeo ang kauna-unahang lalaki na nailagay sa stamp ng Pilipinas.
In place of Isabella II, King Amadeo was the first one to be featured.
Marami na siguro tayong nakitang stamps ng national hero nating si Dr. Jose Rizal. Pero ang stamp na ito ni Rizal na inilabas noong 1906 ang bagay sa Pacman's List.
Rizal was considered a national hero even by the US, no? So he was featured only on US stamps, not Spanish stamps. And the first one came out in 1906. He's the only Filipino to be featured on US Philippine stamps.
Kahilera pa niya sina US President William McKinley, Ferdinand Magellan, at Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. At kahit ang pambansang kamao at kapuso nating si Manny Pacman Pacquiao, may sarili na ring selyo. Ang mga selyong ito ay may tuturing ding larawan ng kasaysayan. Kaya naman, ang stamp ni Queen Isabella II at ang iba pang stamps dito sa Philatelics Museum ng Manila Post Office. Pasok sa Pinoy Records!